feel like a little bit of a ambient vibe in the back. I could have brought my gimbal.
What's a gimbal?
It's what you're doing, but automated and not ridiculous.
You don't like this?
No, I mean I do, but it's just...
No, I'm just gonna set this in the back just to get the whole set.
Or I could do, and I could just pan.
Move it like this.
I could just pan.
Oh, this is actually great.
That's what I'm saying.
But I just use my, billboard clamps.
Just like a good little... I just love how it's Gretsch.
He goes, we should make more than one video. You what?
Okay, mine are always.
I have the clammiest hands of probably anyone in the
That's
world.
okay. I was sweating disorder, so I can.
What was your
Well, this video makes you look even more sweaty. Look at everyone's face.
They're just sweaty. Yeah, Mark.
Mark.
Yeah.
See me glistening.
Mark, sorry.
Say hey.
Hey, hey. stickers in the back if you all want. That's all we got. That's all we got. We got free stickers. Go get the sticker. Go get the sticker. Sticker.